In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to get a free domain on Wix. To initiate the process, you'll need to create a free account on Wix and develop your very own website. As soon as you have put the finishing touches on your web page and pressed publish, Wix will automatically assign you a free subdomain. Here's what that looks like. The URL assigned will adhere to the format username.wixsite.com/sitename. In the account settings section, you'll have the flexibility to edit the sections labeled as username and site name. Nevertheless, you should note that it is not possible to eliminate wixsite.com or the prefix https from your URL. Now, if you are seeking a more personalized domain, Wix offers a free 1-year custom domain, but this comes with a catch. You need to purchase a Wix Premium or Studio site plan that lasts for a year or spans multiple years. When you make this purchase, a voucher offering a free domain for 1 year appears in your account. You are required to redeem this voucher within a time frame of 2 months. So, how do you register and reap the benefit of this free domain for a year? First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to the domain search section on the Wix website. Here, you'll be able to search and select your desired domain name. When you proceed to checkout after the selection, the voucher comes into play and gets applied to your order, rendering the first year of your custom domain entirely free of charge. As the end of the 1-year period comes around, you should be prepared to pay the regular renewal price to keep your custom domain. Remember, the objective is to establish a strong and consistent online presence, so ensuring the continuity of your custom domain is crucial. This comprehensive guide would have empowered you with the knowledge on how to get a free domain on Wix. I wish you all the success in building and maintaining your professional online identity with Wix.